Guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some green peas with chicken that is really simple to make but so delicious. So give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. If you love my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. I have 1 kilogram of chicken here. So I already cleaned the chicken with salt and vinegar. So now I'm going to make some incision on my chicken. This will help the chicken to cook easily and quickly, and it will also help it to get the marinade inside. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add some black pepper. So I'm going to add my homemade seasoning. You can add any type of seasoning you like. So I'm going to add a little bit of ground ginger. I'm going to mix this really well. So I'm going to fry my chicken. So once it's brown, I'm going to remove it and set aside. At this time, the chicken is not completely cooked, but we just want it to have a really nice color, and then we remove it. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil and start the cooking. I'm going to start by adding some garlic. Then I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to add some parsley. I'm going to add some basil leaf. So I added some black pepper, then I will add some curry powder, ground ginger, and a little bit of paprika, but it's on your own taste. You can remove the spices, add what you like. Now I'm going to add some mustard. I have some carrots here. I'm going to add this. Now I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to cover with water. So I'm going to add some green bell peppers. So I'm going to add a little bit of dry herbs. So I'm going to add the green peas. I'm going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to add a little bit of my homemade seasoning. You can add anything you like.